It's John Champion and Jim Beglin alongside me here at Old Trafford.
Hi John, at this stage I think the players are just desperate to get out there, and this promises to be a terrific game.
It's well cleared. Sloppy pass, intercepted. Good pass through. That was the first effort produced by the team.
Well, that's the kind of break that can do a lot of damage. It just lacked the finish to be a great counter-attacking strike. It was so direct.
Tries one. That was certainly travelling.
Well, there wasn't much on for him, so it was worth a shot. It was worth a try from there.
It's come through to him nicely. Poor ball that's intercepted. Penalised for that challenge. It's not cleared very far. Chance for a counter then. Intercepted. We're in the 15th minute. He can take the shot on here. Now a chance. Hits it. Yep, offside there, to the massive relief of the opposition defenders. Looking to thread it through. The flag is up. And that stems a promising attack just when they were looking to take the lead. Oh, stopped him illegally. That's a free kick. Here's a ball in. No, that's not going to make it. Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. He's on a promising run. Now a chance for a cross. They're breaking out quickly here. The pass cut out.
He knew he had options on, but his awareness was let down by his failure to concentrate on the ball in.
Now the chance! Strikes it. That stopped the danger. 30 minutes gone. Wants to get this forward. Slides it through. No, that won't be finding its target. Up goes the assistant referee's flag. And no wonder they look disappointed. There was a chance to take the lead there. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? Restarts with a throw-in. Shooting chance! He shoots there, and it's a really well-taken goal. And Manchester United take the lead. He escaped the shackles and finished very well.
And it looked as if he had no room to try and engineer a chance there, and yet his strength and desire came through. It's a very well-worked finish.
So we resume at 1-0.
Well, that's put him in the driving seat, but there's a lot of football left in this one yet, believe me.
And now the counter-attack. No way through there. He plays it through. He's got in. Could be a chance now. He's found space. Picked it off. The referee blows his whistle to draw the first half to a close.
Well, 1-0 up is never the safest scoreline, but this is looking pretty good on this evidence.
Just the one goal separates them then. It's 1-0.
Listen, when it's congested through the centre of the pitch like that, they'll threaten more from the wider positions.
It's on for him. Tried to play it through. Strikes it from distance. And the keeper's there to claim it.
Well, that was worth the effort. I mean, it was a long way out, but he caught it so well.
They're off on the counter. And that's come to nothing. Ball stolen. Got it. Plays this forward.
They really need to start looking for some space. The chances aren't going to come if they keep playing like this.
It's on for him. It's through. A chance. Maybe now.
Oh, that was such a good chance.
And we've reached the hour mark. Loses out in a position of some promise.
They may well get a bit more joy down the flanks. They'll certainly find more space out there.
A fine display of slick passing. Cuts it out. He's carved himself a chance here. They've done it! It's a 2-goal lead now. He escaped the shackles and finished very well.
Yeah, defensively they thought they had him where they wanted him, but he's forever on his toes and he showed terrific movement to manufacture some space and score.
So it's now 2 without reply.
Yeah, we've seen it before that 1-0 can be a fragile scoreline, but now that they have that extra cushion, 2 should be enough.
No, didn't quite get the distance he wanted on it.
Well, listen, when it's congested through the centre of the pitch like that, they'll threaten more from the wider positions.
Almost 75 minutes on the watch now. Great chance for the counter. Got it. This is lovely passing to watch. Now possibility down the flank. No, it's been picked off. And the ball's out of play. Plays this forward, wants to get this forward. This is very pleasing on the eye. And he couldn't put it away.
And if they don't get the job done from here, he'll look back on that moment and know he should have made it a 3-goal cushion. Should have finished things off.
85 minutes on the watch now. He can surely line one up here. No, beaten to it. And the shot from distance. Another one. They have a 3-goal advantage, and that should be enough. There's the benefit of pinpoint accuracy. So it's 3-0 now. Fouled there, free kick given. Intercepted. He's got in. It's come through to him. A shot. Another shot. A corner. There's a shooting opportunity here. Cleared to safety. It's a corner. He stayed up for this pass. It's a good hit. The referee blows his whistle for full time. Many of these supporters will never ever forget a huge crushing